color of love. Love is your color today. Yeah? You are not black. You are not white. You are the color of love. Just love. Just love.
We can no longer, from today onwards, be proud. We can no longer sit back and remain silent on the senseless, unlawful killings, sly racism of another human being based only on what? Their skin colour. We must not use a demonstration for selfish motives and turn it into rioting and looting.
White people are joining us. They're joining us and they're saying, we see it actually. Every day we're listening and we're coming out with you. And you're being peaceful, they're lying to us. They're telling us you're aggressive and we're not being aggressive. Yeah, we come here peacefully.
I've been born in this country. I'm 28 years old, born and raised in London. And for time, every black person understands and realizes the first time you are reminded that you are black. Just